Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wheel Wonderland. Today we've got something truly refined on our turntable. A team transport set that honors the legacy of British motoring like no other. This is the Hot Wheels Premium, release featuring the 2023 Land Rover Defender 1.0 and the timeless Jaguar MK1, both in stunning 1/64 scale and connected by a sleek race trailer. Let's dive into the heritage first. Land Rover is more than just a name. It's a symbol of British resilience. Born for the countryside, tested in the wildest conditions, and trusted around the world. The 2023 Defender in this set stays true to its roots, but adds a clean, modern edge. Check out the detailed grille, rugged wheels, roof rack, and those clean two-tone lines. This is the kind of vehicle you'd want when the road disappears and the adventure begins. Then there's the Jaguar MK1, a true legend of the 1950s. Jaguar wasn't just making beautiful saloons, they were building cars that could compete and win on the racetrack. The MK1 was one of the earliest sports sedans, balancing luxury with raw performance. And Hot Wheels captured it beautifully here. Finished in deep British racing, green with racing decals and the number 386, it brings vintage motorsport vibes to the table. Together, these two vehicles tell a story of contrast and class. One built to conquer rough terrain, the other to glide around corners on the track. And thanks to the team transport trailer, they look like they're ready to roll into the paddock or off into the hills. As always with Hot Wheels Premium, the craftsmanship speaks for itself. Real riders' tires, metal builds, and just the right touches of paint and proportion that make these collectibles feel truly alive. So here's the question. Are you more Defender or Jaguar? Would you take the trail or the trophy? If you're enjoying this kind of deep dive into Hot Wheels diecasts, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Wheel Wonderland, and leave us a comment down below. We've got more premium reviews, unboxings, wind tunnel tests, and car culture content coming every week. Thanks for watching, and remember, in our world, every diecast tells a story. Stay curious, stay collecting, and keep the wheels spinning.